Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here, coming back with another business tip for you. If this is your first time here, I help online coaches, course creatives to grow a business that they fall in love with. And today I wanted to talk about a product ladder. What is a product ladder? If you're just starting out in business, you are focusing on basically trying to get clients and, offer a solution. As you grow your business, you're going to realize that people are at different points of their journey. Okay, so the people that you help, they're not all starting at the same place, right? So again, think about a trip. When people get off the exit and they go to the rest area, they need different things, right? Sometimes they're hungry, sometimes they're thirsty, sometimes they need gas, sometimes they need it all, right? So as the coach or business entrepreneur, I want you to think about the journey that your ideal people are on. And the more you work with people, the more you're going to start recognizing some of those little rest area stops that they need in their business. Okay, so if you're a coach, maybe you run some kind of a coaching program and you realize that a lot of your people struggle with creating those really fancy little ebooks and workbooks that they give to their clients. So that is a need that your people need. So you could create a little product in your product ladder, so to speak, that takes care of that one need. Now, how do you use that? You could use it in your signature program. You could also leave it as a standalone. You could sell it as a little quick one-off standalone product or service that you sell. Let's talk about my business for a quick minute. Sometimes people need help. I do what I call a business intensive mapping session where basically we build your business plan, so to speak. We get all of the stuff out of your head and I create this beautiful little mind map and people are just in awe by it and they say they're going to print it and all that kind of stuff. Why I started doing that is my clients would come to me and they would just feel stuck. They would feel overwhelmed. They didn't really know which way to go, what to start with, all that kind of stuff. So I created this product. Actually, I started doing it with a few clients and I realized this is so valuable for my clients. It helps them get to the next step. So guess what? A new little product was born on my product ladder. So do new entrepreneurs need to build a product ladder right out of the gate? No. But what I want you to do, if you're just new getting started, pay attention to the little problems that people have and think about, even in your signature program, you might help them with all of these problems, but are there little pieces that you could pull out and let it be a standalone product? Because some people, maybe they're not ready for your big program, your big signature program, but they do need help with that one little thing. And then the beauty is once they come into your funnel, once they're in your world, they're going to pay attention because you helped them with one thing. Then they're going to be looking, what else does she have? What else do I need in my business that's going to help me? So I hope that makes sense. Let me know in the comments, do you have a product ladder? Now, let me just jump in and say this before I end. I don't want you going out creating 10 and 15 different things. I only want you to create something if it looks like there's a need in your market. And starting off, you should only have 2 or 3 things in your product ladder. But as you grow, you might end up with 5 or 6 different products. It doesn't have to be expansive. It's just other ways that you can help your ideal people. Hey, thanks for watching. And as always, if this is useful to you, if you like these tips, hit the subscribe button. We're here every day, like to share these business tips with you. And my signature product, the 20K code to help you scale and grow your business. The link's in the description if you want to find out more about it. Click the button. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.